Welcome to another video tutorial about how to use Figma for beginners. Figma is a powerful tool for designing user interfaces, wireframes, prototypes, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get you started. First, sign up and log in. Visit the Figma website, go to figma.com, create an account using your email or Google account or GitHub account. Enter your credentials to log in. After logging in, you'll see your Figma dashboard where you can create new files, access recent files, and browse templates. Located at the top, it includes tools for selection, shapes, pen, text, comments, and more. On the left, it shows the hierarchy of objects in your design. On the right, it displays properties and settings for the selected object. The central area where you create and edit your designs. Click the plus button or new file to create a new design file. Click on the file name at the top to rename it. Here are the basic tools and functions. Selection tool, you can use this to select and move objects. To draw basic shapes, you can use the shapes tool. Click add text to your design and create custom shapes and paths with the pen tool. Create artboards or frames for your designs using the frames. Use the frame tool to define sections of your design like screens for mobile app. Then organize your elements, drag and drop to rearrange layers. Select multiple elements and press shortcut controls to group them. Draw shapes and add text. Use the properties panel to style them. Use alignment tools to position elements precisely and define how elements should resize within their frames with the constraints. To use the component, select an object and click Create Component. Drag components from the Assets panel to reuse them across your design and modify instances of components without affecting the master component. Prototyping, click on the Prototype tab in the Properties panel. Drag the blue handle from an object to another frame to create a link. Find what triggers the interaction, click, hover, etc., and the resulting action to navigate, open overlay, and other more. For collaboration and feedback, you can click the share button to invite others to view or edit your file. Use the comment tool to leave feedback on specific parts of the design. Work simultaneously with team members on the same file with real-time collaboration. For exporting your designs, click on the element or frame that you want to export. Go to Properties panel, click Export and choose your settings, format, resolution, etc. and then click Export to download your files. To use Figma plugins, click on the Figma menu top left corner, go to Plugins and then browse plugins in Community. Find plugins that suit your needs and install them. Access installed plugins from the Figma menu. Use the templates from the Figma community to learn and get inspiration. Explore Figma's official tutorials and documentation for more advanced techniques. By following this guide, you'll be able to create and share your designs using Figma effectively. Thank you for watching.